Hello ladies and gentlemen, today's video is going to be about another cast on. This time it's going to be a German cast on, which I also saw that it has been called a Norwegian cast on. So you pick whichever way you want to call it, German cast on, Norwegian cast on, okay? And I'm also in the process of finishing up a sock video. I've been very busy with my life, so I was not making too many videos lately. But finally, I am finishing up my sock video that I am demonstrating how to do a flap, turning heel, French turning heel, and gusset. So look for the video. But in today's video, I will go and show you the German Norwegian cast on. As you know, I usually do my long tail cast on just like this, right? This is exactly what my mom taught me. But there are other cast ons, and one of them is German cast on. Okay, and again, you can start the way I am starting, which means with the needle underneath the yarn. You can also make a knot. Let's go and make a knot for a change, okay? And then there are people who also do a different twist. Let me go and show you. They start with the needle on the top of the yarn, and then they just twirl it around. And that's how they start, instead of making a knot. But I decided to make a knot today. Okay. Very good. Okay, and the German is very similar to a long tail cast on, except it has a little twist to it. Okay, so again, we are going to be doing the same thing, that we will flip our thumb up, okay, and instead of going between these two, from underneath, between these two yarns like this, we're going to go actually behind those two yarns, okay? Then we will go and bring the needle between them, okay, between, and we're gonna go up and then grab this yarn, okay? And then we will go back into these two yarns between from the bottom, okay, and under, and we're done. Then release, tighten, okay? So let me go and show it to you again. We are going to go flip the thumb up, go under both of those yarns. Now bring this needle between these two yarns down, okay? Then you go back up like you would go and do with the long tail, grab that yarn, and then you bring it in between, but not here, not from the top, from the bottom, okay? From bottom here, you go under, all right? And then you tighten it up. One more time. Flip the thumb underneath both yarns, between the yarns, up, grab the yarn from your index, and then go between them in here, okay? You kind of bring it from the bottom going up again, okay? When I was learning how to do this, I was, whoops, you see I made a mistake now. When I was doing it the first time, I was like going this way. So the most important is that you go between those yarns again, and then you release. And I have noticed that it does give a little bit more springy cast on than what I was using, the way my mom taught me. Let me show it to you in here. See, it's more springy. I should go and bring another one that I did my regular long tail cast on. These are my socks that I made not too long ago, and you see they are, let me see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 stitches in here. Okay, and you see how it is, it is springy, but a little bit firmer right here. And then let me go and do this again with these 10 stitches, and you see they're a lot more springy. Okay, these versus these. This is more springy than this. This is like firmer than this, but it's still, you know, it's still springy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I only ask you, please subscribe, share my videos with your fellow knitters or crocheters if it's crocheting video. Comment, especially comment. I like to hear from you, and you will see me another time.